To begin our Value Moon project, you're going to want to write your name on the back in pencil. I'm going to flip that paper over, and I'm going to take that circle tracer, and I'm kind of moving it around my paper, trying to find an interesting spot to put it. Most kids like to put something right in the middle of their paper, but it makes the composition, so that's a big fancy word, for how something looks, makes the composition a little bit more interesting if we slide it maybe to a corner. It could even be going off the page, could be in the bottom. So I'm going to put my moon kind of up in this corner. I'm not going to trace with a pencil because that line never disappears. I learned this last year. If you look at like this example, I'm not sure if it's showing up in the video, but you can really see that pencil line, and I want to try to avoid that. So I'm going to use a white crayon, and I'm going to trace the circle tracer. It's hard to see the white crayon, but I can actually kind of feel it. Around that circle, I want to make the lightest color I have possible. So I'm using blue. I am going to take the tiniest little dot of blue on my brush. I'm going to bring it into my white and mix it. And when I mix, I am mixing so that it looks the same value. I don't see any globs of blue. Around that circle, I am going to paint the lightest color I've made. And for this part, you're going to have to get kind of close to see that white crayon circle that you've made. But I'm trying to make this nice and smooth. And what's going to happen is as we go out towards the edges of our paper, the colors are going to get darker and darker. Like that moon is shining in the sky, kind of like radiating all the different values of our color. So there's my lightest color. And now I'm ready to mix my next value.